how to find social links settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find social links settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it, and then click edit profile, and here you will find social links, and you can add here your Instagram. Just click on it and just log in your Instagram, and you can add your YouTube channel here, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to add social links. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.